Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope... What? Hang on. I don't believe it. I've never seen one of these in the wild before. Oh, yeah. It looks fresh too. That is the spot. So if Fernbark is an out beersman, then that makes me an out root beersman. Delicious. Enjoying a nice cold one. Out here at the park shooting some videos today. Wanted to do a shout out to John at the MI Woodsman. He's doing a giveaway right now. So many X number subscriber giveaway. Very cool guy, great channel. My only complaint is he lives too far away to go hang out and enjoy some dirt time, and I'm just too broke to go to drive out there. Otherwise I would. So wanted to give a shout out for his channel and his giveaway. So I'll link his channel down below. You can go check him out and have a good one.